6:20 in the morning. I decided to sleep in a little bit and watch the sunrise just because I kind of needed a morning to just, and this is like the latest I'll go to the gym. So we're still on track. This is when my calendar said to go anyways. So it sounds like we have a meeting today. I'm not 100% sure because I still have to talk to my manager about it. But he woke up last night. Well, he like went to bed. They like flew in. They had to like be up super early. So they flew in yesterday, got home. He got back to the house, like settled in, and then like passed out. And then when I was going to bed at like 10, which is like I never stay up past like 8 or 9 here unless I'm going out, he was waking up. He's like, oh, I'm so sorry, I passed out. LOL, I was so tired. I'll be ready for tomorrow. So I think that means that we're going to, where is my fanny pack? I think that means we're gonna have a meeting. But for now, let's make our shakes. I'm back from my workout. Got the shower started. It's already steaming. So I'm gonna quickly get undressed, take off my Apple Watch and stuff, and then hop in the shower and get ready for the day. Woohoo! Okay, so right now I recurled my hair. I caught up on some business stuff. I'm not sure if we're having a meeting today. I texted my manager. I know like he's super exhausted from the first 2 tour stops and like they got home and it was just like a long trip and everything. So I'm just waiting for him to respond. I'm sure he's at the gym because he read my text, but usually like he won't respond if he's at the gym. So I'll just wait to hear back from him. If I don't hear from him by like 11, I'll just hang out, probably go for like a walk, and then yeah. But anyways, we are starting to build a team, like more in depth of a team, so I'm super excited for that. I'm gonna try to make plans to go out tonight just because I kind of need a little like, I need my once a week like social hour before he gets back to work for the week. So yeah, I'm gonna try. I'll let you know what we end up doing next. Oh, I also put a clear coat on my nails because I'm loving the way like my nails are going out right now. And like I don't want to put nail polish on top of them because I love French tip, and like if I'm getting a natural French tip, like score. So I just put a fresh coat of clear on top. So yeah, okay, now I'll let you know what we do next. Tell me, what are we up to?
Today we're breaking in our own car with an old school wire hanger. Technology. The battery is dead in the car.
Yeah, his
so
battery
the key
died.
fob don't work. Now, of course, I got one of the fobs that don't have an actual key. It's just a fob.
No way.
So
let me see. Oh no, it's literally taken out.
Yeah, it's not in it.
Oh god.
I can't even go.
Don't you have a second key?
And I bought the battery on the ground.
Oh, don't put it on the ground. That's how it drains its battery.
Who said that?
Yeah, mechanics? I don't know.
I can't get in here. I need the, hold on, let me go see. We're going to put this back in the car.
Okay.
I'm going to go inside the store and the automotive and see if they got that.
We're waiting to see if they have the thing winning. It's only online.
Sorry, I am so sorry. I gotta see if it works.
If the pump works?
Yep. I gotta see what it do when I'm talking about. If it won't work, I gotta see.
Well, I don't guarantee it would work, but then you'd have a tennis ball. Oh, there it is. The squeezy thing. That's about as good as I can get it.
put this up. I don't care about the person.
They're gonna buy it.
Bring it back. I'm sorry.
Buy it. I don't need it actually. I don't think it's in. Oh, that is.
Hold on. Let's see.
And then you spin that thingy and it will release.
Why?
But you want this whole thing?
I want to. When I pump it up, it's gonna open up the window. You gotta put the cord in it. That's how I did. That's how what's that? It works.
Who did it?
How you get it out?
Squeeze the thing? Or do that? You're never gonna get it out until now. There you go.
How you get it out of here?
Uh,
Oh my God! Why do I gotta?
it's out, right?
Yes, but why do I gotta waste money on this?
Well, a tennis ball would be cheaper.
Yeah, but I don't know if the tennis ball work.
Well,
So
now
you
you'll
do-
have one forever. $17.
$20 fee.
If this works,
That's just that. Now I gotta find something to
wedge into the car.
wedge into the car.
Oh gosh, tennis ball would be so much easier.
You tell me to use one of these things in here. Don't hurt yourself.
It's okay. Oh, I have the hole started. Kinda. Me and my broken wrist. We got the car open. Now we're doing the battery.
Yes.
Tony's teaching me a lot today.
Life lessons.
Life lessons. So I don't have to pay people to do things for me. I'll just call Tony. He's like, no.
Yeah, you can.
Alright, I'll call you then.
Yeah, now see that? Now look, when you gotta work it off, you do it like that. That's how you work it off to get that off.
Dirty hands. We did it. Give it to him.
New battery is installed. Hands a little dirty, but this is what we really was trying to do. Tools was in handling. You can see the old battery right there on the back.
Right there. No more.
No more. So now we're good.
Now we're good. Now we can go home.